Well, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. We're pleased to have you all here as we break ground on this exciting project. In April of 2023, City Utilities received a natural gas modernization grant of an incredible $10 million from the Department of Transportation. Today, we'll break ground on this legacy pipe replacement project, which is made possible by this PHMSA funding. Today, we celebrate the further investment and the opportunity to invest in the safety, reliability, and resiliency of our natural gas distribution system.
This project is more than an infrastructure upgrade. It's an investment in the future of Springfield. By replacing these aging pipelines, we are reducing the risk of incidents, cutting harmful methane emissions, and ensuring that natural gas remains a reliable and safe energy source for the residents of Springfield. Moreover, this initiative supports good paying jobs that will help drive the local economy and build a safer, more sustainable community for all. Today's groundbreaking represents a new chapter for Springfield, a commitment to safety, sustainability, and resilience. It's about protecting the people who call this place home and preserving the environment for future generations. We are proud to partner with Springfield on this important journey and look forward to seeing the positive impact this project will have on the community.
As member of the Board of Public Utilities, I've seen firsthand how CU employees work tirelessly every day to make sure customers have reliable natural gas, electricity, water, broadband, and transit services. With safety at their foundation and a steadfast focus on infrastructure, you can count on CU for world-class services at an exceptional value. On behalf of the Board of Public Utilities, I want to thank the Pipeline and Hazardous Materials Safety Administration for funding this incredible project in our community. By investing in infrastructure, the entire community benefits from increased safety, mitigated risk, and added resiliency to our natural gas system. This project will have an impact on many lives, providing immense value to our community for so many years to come.
We strongly believe that the infrastructure that public gas utilities own and the valuable workforce that operates it delivers affordable, reliable, and efficient energy to their communities. APG believes that investing in modernizing gas utility infrastructure is a continued investment in safety, the environment, energy reliability, and jobs for our communities.
So much of the work that CU does is intentionally kind of behind the scenes for citizens. When we get up in the morning, we go to take our shower, we don't want to think about what it takes for the light to turn on, or for the gas to flow to heat the water, or for the water to flow to turn on. We just want all that to work when we flip the switch, and it does. And it does at rates that are lower than in nearly any other peer city. And while City Utilities is also doing public transit and other community services above that, which are unique among public utilities. And so I'm thankful every day that we have such a great team working for our community, even if we don't think about everything that goes on behind the scenes to make those things work. Thank you, City Utilities, for keeping your focus on sound infrastructure improvements and being a key partner in the growth of the city of Springfield. And congratulations to everyone who worked on this.
And again, we're so grateful to PHMSA and Department of Transportation for selecting Springfield, our community, for funding these projects. I also want to again thank all my coworkers at City Utilities, the men and women of our natural gas department that work every day to ensure that all of our neighbors are safe and have the reliable, affordable supplies of natural gas. Take their jobs very seriously. They know when they put a piece of pipe in the ground that it may be running alongside their house, their neighbor's house. That pipe that runs up to the meter set may be just right outside their son or daughter's bedroom. So I know they take the hours and hours of experience and training that they have to put the systems in the ground and the work that they do very, very seriously, and we appreciate everything they do. So let's give our coworkers at City Utilities a round of applause. So now it's time to get to work, and we're going to ceremonially break ground today with turning some dirt here with a shovel. So I'd like to invite our guests up here for the official groundbreaking. And okay, and then let's do some ones with some dirt in it. Pick that up, and then we'll get very good. Okay, now we'll pour that dirt. Go for it.